Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry tomato. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 onion, and a few cloves of garlic. Don't forget your favorite curry powder, turmeric, and cumin. Make sure you have a sturdy pan and a blender ready for later steps. This method is incredibly straightforward and yields delicious results. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in your pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and cook them until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and a teaspoon of grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of curry powder and a half teaspoon each of turmeric and cumin, stirring for 30 seconds. Now, it's time to add the star of our dish, the tomatoes. Pour in your 2 pounds of diced tomatoes along with a half cup of water or vegetable broth. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once the sauce has simmered, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Carefully transfer the mixture to a blender and process until it's wonderfully smooth. Return the blended sauce to the pan, stir in a 1/4 cup of coconut milk for a creamy finish, and heat gently. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious curry tomato warm with rice or naan bread.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.